morning once again. In the previous classes, we have discussed about statistics. What are the terms we learned in the previous classes? Class intervals, boundaries, range, data, grouped data, ungrouped data, all these we have discussed. And in the previous class, we have solved a problem using direct method. We found the mean using direct method. The formula to find out mean direct method is summation fi xi by summation fi. We used it in the previous class. Now today we are going to learn about finding mean using assumed mean method. The difference between these two, here assumed mean method, mean is equals to a plus summation fi di by summation fi. Using direct method, mean is equals to summation fi xi by summation fi. The difference in between these two is, in place of xi, we took di here. Di is nothing but deviations. The deviations according to a will be taken in the method, assumed mean method. Let us discuss. And the exercise number 1, second problem. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Given like this, daily wages 200 to 250, daily wage to the 12 persons, 250 to 300, 14 workers, 300 to 358, 350 to 406, 400 to 450, 10 members are there. Now, to find out the mean using assumed mean method, once again let us take the class intervals frequencies. Daily wages will be taken as class intervals and number of workers will be taken as frequencies. That is 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. To find out the mean, here class intervals are given 200 to 250, but we can't take total. To denote this total class interval, we will take class marks, that is xi. And we can find out the class marks by doing average of these two, that is 200 plus 250 by 2, that is 450 by 2, it will be 225. First class marks, 200 to 250 class marks will be denoted by 225. Similarly, 250 to 300 plus by 2, 275. Similarly, 300, 355, 325, 375, 425. These are the class marks. This class interval is represented by 225. Similarly, this next. This is xi. In the direct method, we use only xi. These values are very big. That's why we need to decrease the values. That's why we need to take deviation. That is di is equals to xi minus a. Xi minus a. di is equals to xi minus a. What is a here? We need to take any one of the values. Either 225, 275, 325, 375, 425. Any value. Not only this, any assumed value can be taken as a. Let us take this 325 as a. 325 as a. A is equals to 325. And other student may take 275. Another student may take 375. No problem. Whatever you take, according to that you will get right answer only. Here assumed mean is 325. What is di? From xi we need to subtract a. In the first class, xi is 225. 225 minus 325. That is minus 100. 275 minus 325. That is minus 50. 325 is xi. A also 325. If you subtract, you will get 0. 375 minus 325, 50. 425 minus 325, 100. Here 225 decreased to 100. Deviation. Similarly, all the classes values are decreased to from bigger numbers to smaller numbers. Now let us multiply fi di. In the direct method we have fi into xi, but here we have fi into di. Fi is 12 into 100 minus 100, that is minus 1200. 14 into 50, 700, again minus 0 into 8, 0. Sometimes a few students will write 8 into 0, 8. That's why we need to write directly 0 without doing anything. 6 into 50, 300. 10 into 100, 1000. And in the formula, mean is equals to a plus summation fi di by summation fi. A value is 325 and summation fi di means all the fi di values will be added here. Some negatives, some positives are there. Negative sum is 1900, positive sum is 1300. And 1 minus 1 plus means subtraction. Big number minus 1900 minus 1300, you will get 600. Minus 600. Already given number of workers is 50. Let us take summation fi di is minus 600. Summation fi is equals to 50. We got these values using the table. Now let us substitute the values in the formula, that is mean is equals to a value 325 plus fi di, sigma fi di value minus 600 divided by summation fi is 50. 325 keep it aside, plus into minus 600 by 50. Somebody will try to subtract directly, not like that. This is the fraction, denominator is 50 or denominator is 1. First we need to simplify this, 0, 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5, 1 remaining, 10, 5 2 325 minus 12, which is 313. Mean is equals to 313. What is the question asked here? Find the mean daily wage. Mean daily wage here is equals to how much? Rupees 313. Once again, let me explain this. Daily wages, number of workers are given. We took them, class intervals and frequencies. We found class marks, xi, mid values. And in this assumed mean method, we need to take deviations. From each and every x value, we need to subtract one value. That is assumed mean. This A is called assumed mean. We need to subtract one value from all these xi's, which is called assumed mean. With this, we can simplify little easier than direct method. Okay, have you understood?